Hello my friends, today I want to show you how I was able to complete the intake system on my car. You can see on my previous videos that I am running M113 supercharged intake on my car, but that was very big trouble for me to obtain the right Mercedes tubes which will fit on my car and allow me to make the car fresh, to make the car breathe with fresh air. Here it is, the first tube and the second tube. The first one on the right side here is from W140 S500 M113 engine, and the second one is from SL500 which was equipped with the M119 engine as well. This left side, as you can see, fits almost like the factory one. Here is the snorkel and the tube looks from it. Here you can see, so the car takes fresh air from here with no doubt, guys. I only relocated the coolant house. You can see it is under the tube, and here is the second one, the left side. As I already mentioned, this is from SL500, very rare part, guys. Mercedes doesn't offer it, so I was able to obtain it used but in a good condition without any cracks. The right side I bought brand new from Mercedes, that is still available. Here you can see where it goes. I think that the air here is is hotter compared to the right side, but that was the best I can do here. It doesn't grab anything. The tube is free here. It moves, and I also guys removed this additional washer fluid tank, then inserted the plug into the tube which connects that additional washer fluid tank with the main tank, and achieved more place to insert this tube. The angle of the tube is the way that allows me to fit that on the left side of my car. And now you can see how it looks. I think it looks very good. It looks like factory, and I like that look very much. There are another options. By the way, here are the tubes I have also in my garage. This is one. These are the two which I installed on my car and showed you already. I also ordered these snorkels from Mercedes, but they are way bigger. I mean that if I connect the tubes with these snorkels, there will not be any place to install the construction under the hood. Here you can see. I will demonstrate now what I mean in this. This is for the right side, passenger side. Yes, it fits, but it needs some modification, and it will make the construction longer, and I will not be able to install it with the tube. And this is the second one, which is installed on SL500, but here, guys, the area is so restricted, but that's why I was not able to install these two plastic snorkels under the hood, but not a big deal. I like the final result, what I have achieved here. The car will breathe way better compared to the stock intake system, and that was the result I was waiting for. Another option is to use that type of flexi tubes, but I don't like it, guys. Here you can see the additional washer fluid tank I have removed. Now, what can I say? At final and at least, I think that the intake is done. I am going to order these two tubes and save them as spares in my garage, but now the intake is completed, and I like it very much. Hope you enjoy the videos. Thank you for watching, and catch you in the next videos.